So it's almost going to be 12 for him. And there's a car honking. Look, he's doing it again. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So right now guys, we're going to see some golf equipment.
We're gonna buy some golf stuff, equipment guys, because today William doesn't have golf equipment.
Yup.
And I need some.
And you need some.
And the kids do. Or the only person that has equipment is
Orly. Orly right now.
So JP doesn't have some equipment. So today we're gonna see what we get for JP.
We're going to see guys. Look, there's one guy.
Yeah, you see it. People look. Nice driver. People are buying stuff like to play golf. Like golf is in right now. Plus the kids love golf. William loves golf. We love golf. And guess who loves golf?
Baby Roman.
Baby Roman loves golf, guys. So we're here to buy some golf stuff. So JP is gonna show you around what's the craziest stuff here in the golf world. And here we go.
All right, guys. So
guys, come here. So guys, we got this for JP.
Yes.
I think JP is gonna be ready.
I think I'm ready.
Let me tell you guys. For a starter kit, I think he's really good because he has
I got
everything. Everything's there. And guess who's gonna help him play? Me.
Look, we got two drivers. We got the driver, the normal one. We got the fairway wood.
So guys, he's ready, guys. I think they're gonna practice, and however it works out, William's gonna get his.
Yeah.
And he's gonna do a video buying his stuff.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Look, everybody's waiting for them. Because guess what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go play some golf, guys. Okay, guys, so JP and William and Orly, they're going crazy in the golf field. Okay. Okay, come on, guys, show off. Okay, William, come on, show off. Okay, that's William.
That was bad.
It was a little bit bad, but it's okay. Okay.
Ready?
Woof.
Whoa. All right, look. That's it. This is the one. That's the one, guys.
Wow.
Come on, baby.
You doing?
All right, that's it.
Wow.
That's the one.
How's the new set?
It sucks. It's the best driver right here.
It's really good. For real?
He's cheating. Yeah, he's different. Let me come over with it.
Okay, that's the one. William, that's the one.
No, look, this one you can. Willie.
Okay, I don't know. Is it the one?
This one you can hit it with that. This one is in the floor. All right, you ready?
Go.
Over here. That's it.
Oof. Yeah, you learn it. Okay, Orly. Oh, Orly. What? Come on, Orly. Show your skills.
But look, this one is the best on the floor.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Nah, using my feet. This will go far.
Nice.
Well, nice.
2 hours later.
Orly, I don't know why that car keeps honking the horn.
I know.
Bro, like, I don't know. Guys, look. He's doing it again.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Orly, I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys. So, guys, look, let me see if you guys could see the car. Is this right? It's dark, so you guys can see it. Plus, I have the flashlight on. Oh my God.
You don't know who is in.
And guys, and it's super late. It's like, check on your phone.
It's 11:55.
Oh my god, guys. So it's almost going to be 12 a.m. and there's a car honking. Look, he's doing it again. Bro, he's going to wake up everybody.
Yeah.
They're over there. Look. Look at that. He's beeping again, bro. And I think
I just gotta go to my room. We're not here.
plus our parents right now are sleeping because they're really tired.
I think they're awake now.
I don't know what to do, bro. Orly, I don't know. You see, like, give me a good idea to do because I don't know what to do.
Like, we can't wake up our parents because what happened? They're getting mad at.
Yeah, I mean,
Like,
no,
like,
imagine that we go to our parents and then
they're leaving.
and then the car leaves and they stop and now it's our fault, guys. So I think we're not going to do that because we don't want to, be grounded for another week.
Yeah.
So, look,
You're done.
again, bro, what's going on with this car, bro? Like, it's really late and there's people sleeping.
Look, he just passed by.
You just passed by?
Yeah, I saw the car. I just saw it. The car medium and went fast.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, we can't tell our parents, or else we just gotta go sleep in.
I think we have to go sleep downstairs. Because downstairs you can't hear nothing.
But like you shouldn't fry it. Wait, it stopped though. It stopped.
Look, just in case, let's go make sure every door is closed. Just in case, because we don't know. The car, it's been like for 40 minutes going around and beeping. Yeah, guys, I don't know what we're going to do, but I think we're going to end the video right here. Look, again.
Yes.
Boys keep beeping. It's late.
Bro, go sleep. That's what you gotta do, man.
Yeah, guys. So right now we're going to make sure that every door is closed in the house because we don't know who is that person. Yeah. So we're going to go make sure that everything is closed, and we're going.
Strikes again.
Oh my God! All right, guys. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Only end.
Bye, guys. Love you. Peace.